Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to auto rotate in iPhone. So look here, now enable my auto rotate option and provide how can easily turn off. So go to your control center, then showing it to auto rotate option. Just press on to lock, then turn off auto rotate when I'm trying to rotation but not it rotate. But some device has missing this option. How can easily get rotate option? So at first time remove and I'm provide how can easily get rotate option. Long press add a control and you just find here to auto rotate option. So look here, this is the auto rotate option. Press on to add. Now it's add. Now auto rotate enable, lock, and now auto rotate disable.